When looking for a powerful graphics card, NVIDIA's RTX 4080 and RTX 5080 are two strong options. The RTX 4080 has been on the market for some time and is known for its excellent performance. The RTX 5080 is a newer release and brings improvements in several areas. The big question is whether the RTX 5080 provides better value for money compared to the RTX 4080. In today's video, we will compare both GPUs in terms of design, performance, features, power efficiency, pricing, and overall value to help you decide which one is the better choice. The RTX 4080 has a triple slot design with a large heatsink and dual fan cooling system. This makes it effective at cooling but also bulky, which means it may not fit easily into all PC cases. Many users need to check if their case has enough space before buying the card. It also uses a 16-pin power connector, which requires a compatible power supply unit. The RTX 5080 brings a slimmer and more compact design compared to the RTX 4080. It features double flow-through cooling, which improves airflow and helps with heat management. NVIDIA also made a small change to the power connector placement, making it easier to install. This new design makes the RTX 5080 more case-friendly, making it a better option for those with smaller builds. Performance is one of the most important factors when choosing a graphics card, as it directly affects gaming and creative workloads. The RTX 4080 is a high-performance GPU that delivers smooth gameplay at 4K resolution. It can easily handle demanding games and professional tasks, making it a great choice for gamers and content creators. One of its key features is ray tracing, which improves lighting and reflections in games for a more realistic experience. It also supports DLSS 3, an AI-powered technology that generates extra frames to boost performance and image quality without putting too much strain on the GPU. The RTX 5080 builds on the power of the RTX 4080, offering around 15% better performance at 4K resolution. This means higher frame rates, smoother gameplay, and improved visuals. The RTX 5080 also introduces DLSS 4, which is an upgraded version of AI-powered upscaling. DLSS 4 creates even more frames than DLSS 3, leading to faster and more fluid gaming experiences at high resolutions. With these improvements, the RTX 5080 provides better overall performance, making it a stronger option for those looking for top-tier gaming and content creation power. While the RTX 5080 is more powerful, the difference may not be noticeable for casual gamers. However, competitive gamers and professionals who require the highest performance will benefit from the improvements. Both the RTX 4080 and RTX 5080 come with NVIDIA's latest technologies, making them powerful choices for gaming and creative work. The RTX 4080 supports DLSS 3, ray tracing, reflex low latency technology, and NVIDIA Studio, which help improve graphics quality, responsiveness, and performance. These features make the RTX 4080 a great option for gamers and content creators who want high-quality visuals and smooth gameplay. The RTX 5080 includes all the features of the RTX 4080 but adds DLSS 4 and multi-frame generation, which boost frame rates and improve game smoothness. It also has new AI-driven rendering enhancements that make graphics look even more realistic. For those looking for the latest and most advanced graphics technology, the RTX 5080 is the better choice. However, if you already have an RTX 4080, upgrading may not be necessary unless you really want DLSS 4 and multi-frame generation. A GPU's power consumption affects both electricity costs and system requirements. The RTX 4080 has a power consumption of 320 watts. This means it requires a high-quality PSU of at least 700 watts for stable operation. It is energy efficient compared to older GPUs, but still draws a significant amount of power under heavy workloads. The RTX 5080 maintains a similar power draw of around 320 watts. But thanks to improvements in efficiency, it delivers higher performance without using more energy. This means you get better gaming and rendering speeds without increasing electricity costs. Overall, while both GPUs consume similar amounts of power, the RTX 5080 delivers better performance per watt, making it the more efficient choice. Price is a crucial factor when deciding which GPU to buy. The RTX 4080 launched at $1,199, making it an expensive but powerful choice. Over time, prices have slightly dropped, but it still remains a premium product. The RTX 5080 launched at $999, which is $200 cheaper than the RTX 4080 at launch. This makes the RTX 5080 a much better deal for new buyers, as it provides better performance at a lower price. If you are buying a new high-end GPU, the RTX 5080 is clearly the better choice in terms of value for money. However, if you already own an RTX 4080, the upgrade may not be worth it unless you need the new features. When a new GPU is released, it can be hard to find due to high demand and limited stock. The RTX 4080 had supply issues at first, but now it is widely available at most stores. The RTX 5080, being newer, is in high demand, and there are already reports of stock shortages. If you want one, you may need to buy it quickly when it becomes available. If you don't want to wait, the RTX 4080 is still a great choice, but if you can find the RTX 5080 at retail price, it offers better value. The RTX 5080 offers better value for money compared to the RTX 4080. It is 15% faster in 4K gaming, has DLSS 4, better AI rendering and multi-frame generation, and is also more power efficient despite using similar energy. Most importantly, it launched $200 cheaper than the RTX 4080, making it a more affordable option. However, availability may be an issue, as the RTX 5080 could face stock shortages, while the RTX 4080 is easier to find. If you already own an RTX 4080, upgrading may not be necessary unless you really want DLSS 4 and the latest AI features. But if you're buying a new high-end GPU, the RTX 5080 is the better choice due to its lower price and better performance, making it the best value option for a future-proof graphics card. So that was all about the RTX 5080 versus RTX 4080. Thanks for watching.